Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create custom product pages in Shopify even if you don't know how to code. We will go through step by step on how to design unique, high converting product pages using Shopify's built-in tools and some free apps. A custom product page helps your brand stand out and can increase conversions instead of using the same default layout. You can showcase product features, videos, reviews, FAQs, and more. This is especially useful for high ticket products, bundles, or digital goods where storytelling matters. Let's start by creating a new product template. Go to online store, then theme, click the three dot icon, then click edit code. Under template, under templates, click add a new template, name it product, and name it something like custom product. Select liquid, then custom product. Shopify will now generate a new liquid file tag product.custom product.liquid, then click done. You can now assign this template to any product from the product setting. To visually design your custom product page, now open a new tab and again log into your Shopify account dashboard. Now log in from online store, click customize. In the top drop down menu, choose products, then custom product. Now you can drag and drop different section like product, image gallery, text blocks for features, FAQ accordion, trust badges or icons related product, etc. This is all done using Shopify's online store 2.0 feature, no code needed. Now, to apply this custom layout, go to products, go to products tab, then select a product like that. Scroll down to theme template on the right side. Theme template like that. Then click on it and click customize custom product. Now click save. Now that specific product will have your new layout. If you want even more flexibility, you can use free Shopify apps like Pagefly, eComposer, Shogun. This let you This let you build advanced product pages with tabs, timers, accordions, videos, and full mobile optimization. For this app, go to App section. Now select App and Sales Channel Settings. Then click Shopify App Store. In the search bar, you can search by page fly, landing page builder, install it, and choose a product and design your page with drag and drop. A few tips for a great custom product page. A clear headlines and benefit driven descriptions. Add trust elements like reviews, guarantees, or certifications. Include social proof like user images or testimonials. Keep mobile design in mind. Test responsiveness. Then click next. Skip or select page or section. Click page. Then click product page. Then next. Now from the dashboard, select a product and customize it. You can add element from Elements tab, then add third-party payment, click Manage Integration, and search for your preferred payment method like Stripe, PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, etc. Just click Activate, and that's it. That's how you create stunning custom product pages in Shopify. No coding needed. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and drop a comment if you would like a free product page, checklist, or template. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Keep watching, stay tuned.